welcome to another video by Cluster Repairs UK. In today's spare part description video, we're looking at the Citroen C4 Grand Picasso and Space Tourer instrument cluster display screen. If you're facing faults with your display screen, such as black marks or spots covering your display switch is on but shows only lines, the display has lost half the screen or is missing graphics, well, look no further. Here are a few examples of display faults you might be facing. All our parts are genuine, European factory-sourced components. Each part goes through strict quality control testing and includes a back-to-factory 12-month warranty. These are not factory rejects, B-grade items, or parts sourced from the open market. Now, here's the best part. Once you purchase your new display, you'll receive 14 days of free access to our in-depth trade-level tutorial video. This is a step-by-step guide designed to help anyone with basic knowledge achieve the same professional results as an experienced technician. Now, once a brand new display is fitted, have a look at the results. A crystal clear, perfect display. Cluster Repairs UK has been a trusted name since 1986. With 2 UK locations and award-winning customer service, you can rest assured you've chosen a premium service. If you need any more help or advice, just hit the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.